Internet has become very important in our life today. Everyone needs internet, whether one want to make an online payment or need an answer to any question. The internet has become very important. But are we using this internet correctly and safely? What mistakes are we making? So today we are going to talk about what to be careful while using the internet. So please everyone watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Nowadays, internet has become very important in our life. Once we don't have food, but we need internet. But the internet is a beneficial as it is dangerous. If you don't take care of some things on the internet, you can face many problems. So we have to take care of some special things. So let's know about it. So the first point is secure website. Make sure any website you visit is secure and verified. In particular, you need to be very careful with the banking portals or those which you share personal data. Check the website URL for this. Check if the website starts with HTTPS. So now you may be wondering what is HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Look for HTTPS instead of HTTP on the website URL because the S in the URL stands for secure. This is also known as SSL certificate. This certificate ensures that your data is safe. Second one is strong password. For any website, you need to keep the password strong. Keep a password that no one can easily hack. For that, you have to keep things like alphabets, special characters, numbers in the password. The third point is pop ups. Most of the times, you will come across a pop up that offers a clickable link. It is very important to ignore such pop ups. Most of the times, they come from unknown links and contains ad. In general, pop up ads are not safe and you should avoid clicking on them. You typically get pop ups like you won something, you are a million visitor, and claiming that your computer or mobile is running slow or has a virus. Some of these pop ups and ads have fake buttons like close buttons. So be careful when you try to close a pop up or ad. If you are not sure, you should avoid closing the pop up and simply close the window or tab. Fourth point is personal data. Do not share your personal information on the internet without thinking. Doing so may lead to misuse your information. Your personal information may be used to commit fraud and cybercrime such as phishing scams. Or if your personal information falls into the wrong hands, it can damage your reputation. Also, you can lose your money. Fifth point is browser update. If you want to stay safe on the internet, you should always keep your browser updated because software developers and cybersecurity experts are constantly working to protect against new threats or viruses. That's why you get new updates, and these updates eliminate the risk of viruses entering the device. So when you see this on your browser, click on it and keep your browser updated. Then the sixth point is files download. Do not download any file without checking it. Avoid downloading files with extensions like .exe, .bat, .cmd, and .scr if you are not sure, because they are executable files. It may contain harmful softwares. Also, you are often prompted for cookies. Decline him as much as possible because if you don't decline, then the website may sell your browsing data or your location or your mouse movement to the third party. And the last point is VPN and public Wi Fi. One of the most important things on the internet is public Wi Fi. Avoid using public Wi Fi as much as possible because public Wi Fi is not secure and your data can be hacked by hackers. If you must use that Wi Fi, use a VPN. So, what is VPN? VPN means Virtual Private Network. A VPN replaces your IP address, making it difficult for hackers to trace your device online activity. Also, it encrypts your data. This means that hackers monitoring public Wi-Fi connections will only see useless information. So in this video, I have tried to cover some basic things. I hope you have get a few things. If you have any questions, then you can comment, or if you need any more information about this, about any topic, then tell me. I will try to complete it. And if you like the video, then like and share so that this video reaches others. And please don't forget to subscribe to channel. Thank you.